Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix banned on Uber Eats. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access any browser, may it be on your PC or in your mobile phone. Now in your browser, go to google.com and you want to copy the title of this video. So in this section here, make sure that you paste the title of this video into your Google search here, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section for Uber. So in this case, you have the deactivations, losing access, account access. So go ahead and click on that link. And from here, you'll have the information about the access or losing action or deactivation here. So just scroll down a bit until you see this section here that says why losing access happens and what to do. Now, in this case, it's going to actually recommend you to reach out to customer support, which in this case, you could easily access that via the link here that says here. So go ahead and click on that link and you'll be redirected here. Now, from here, it's going to ask you a few things. So have you signed up more than once? So go ahead and answer that. So you also have list of email addresses associated with your current and previous Uber accounts. So list of all phone numbers associated with your current and previous Uber accounts. The city you were trying to drive in. What vehicle, make, model, year, and trying to drive with. But in this case, since we are having problems with Uber Eats, you could go ahead and just enter Uber Eats here. And from here at this section here, make sure that you also indicate that it's about Uber Eats. Now from here, you want to share any additional details regarding your issue, which in this case, your account has been banned. Make sure that you mention that, as well as the reason why your account was banned. So if you want to appeal regarding the reason of your Uber Eats account here, say that you want to appeal for it, and currently these are documents that support regarding the banned or any documents that you have for your account or for your appeal here. You go ahead and state that you have those documents. So in here, so if you have any error messages, like for example, they pop up that your account has been banned, you could go ahead and attach this as well. Now in this case, since you already provided your email address here, you just need to wait for them to reply to your request. So if they request any additional information like documents or any additional information about yourself, but make sure that it's actually from Uber that is the email came from. Now, yeah, from here, just click on submit and Uber should be in contact with you, or Uber support should be in contact with you about your request about an appeal on your banned Uber Eats account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.